everyone. I am Alex from Superdao, and today I'm in Seoul at BUIDL Asia. Let's have a look and try to ask some questions.
My name is Jenks Guo. I'm a developer advocate from Filecoin Foundation. I work in a working group called Ecosystem Working Group that joins protocol labs people with Filecoin. I work for builders in the ecosystem.
First question, how your builders feel during bear market?
What I see is in this market cycle, and we have seen market cycles before in crypto, is that in the downturn, you really get a lot of people who are focused on building, who are trying to build the technology behind crypto. When the market is sort of up, you have a lot of noise with people who are taking the opportunity to gain a lot of monetary stuff, so incentives for speculating the token, etc. That kind of makes a rush to build a project with not so mature technology. But in the downturn, I think developers don't get distracted by those things and they just focus on building. So it's a perfect opportunity for a project to actually flesh out the user experience, find the product market fit, and wait for the next cycle to take off, and then have their tools really be out there.
From the last NFT boom, I think Filecoins found kind of product market fit for distributed storage. Did you get some insights on it?
We have two products that's really doing well for builders and in the market. One is Web3 storage, which is for general storage, and first terabyte you register is for free for developers to build the project. And the other product is the hat that I'm wearing, which is NFT.storage, and that's free storage for NFT product overall for hopefully forever. And right now we have seen a tremendous growth on this tool.
Maybe you have something new in the future. What do you think is the big things in distributed storage and Web3 at all?
Right now, like a lot of people understood NFT, and it's because of the concept is really easy to grasp. And if you look at all of the applications that could be adopted in mass, one of the things that really are early adopters of new technology is gaming industry. So there's a lot of money being investment being pumped into gaming industry, and especially gaming and NFT related to create digital asset. Because gamers are one of the first group of people who understood the value of digital asset, like a skin in a game, and a design costume and all that. People were trading that already on different platforms. So they'll probably be the first group of people who are getting this, but also using it for actual day-to-day purposes.
I'm Alex Devyatkin from 1inch Hardware Wallet team. We are building right now a hardware wallet. It will look like this. A small device that contains small camera module for scanning QR, wireless charging, big touchscreen display.
It will work with your application with 1inch wallet, or it's also can be used in other wallets?
It will work with 1inch DF wallet, and also right now this device supports MetaMask.
During bear market, you keep building. How do you feel about bear market?
In my opinion, this is best time for building our product because we have this silent time for much more better make our device, and after this silent time we have able make a big business.
When it will be available?
I hope during half year we will finish our pre-production samples, and after this we will start production and sales.
The BUIDL Asia, ETH Seoul, and Korea Blockchain Week main event are finished. I've met Korean blockchain community, and I can say that there are a lot of interesting people, interesting projects, most of them from metaverses, games, and also investment companies. I suggest you watch ETH Seoul and BUIDL Asia talks. I didn't catch all of them, and I definitely will watch what I missed. Nice to be here.